So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make passion fruit oil. Passion fruit oil contains vitamins like vitamin C, beta carotene, which will help to protect our skin from early aging. Passion fruit oil is a powerful natural oil that can be used for skin, hair, and so many other health benefits. So stay tuned. So to make the passion fruit oil, this is the passion fruit. I've already scooped out the passion fruit, then add water and sieve to get the juice from the passion fruit. So this is the passion fruit seed. So you can decide to dry the seed, then blend into a paste, add water and boil until the oil comes out, or you can decide to add the seed into a blender, add oil. I'll be using grapeseed oil. You can decide to use coconut oil, sunflower oil, because you're going to be boiling it. So I'm going to be adding the seed into the blender. So I'm going to be adding enough oil. Okay, when I'm done blending, you can see. So I'm going to pour in the blended passion fruit mixture. So you're going to allow this to boil on a low heat. Then allow to cool. When the oil has cooled down, you can decide to sieve with your cheesecloth or chiffon cloth. I'm going to squeeze to get the oil. The passion fruit oil is ready. This oil is a nourishing, soothing, and anti-aging oil that you can use for your skin, hair, and other benefits. Store the oil in container. You can use dark bottle. Smells nice. Use this for your skin. Then for the residue, you can use this to make your body scrub. So try using passion fruit oil if you have dry skin and if you want a smooth and soft skin. Passion fruit oil is a nourishing, soothing, and anti-aging oil that is perfect for skin care, hair care, and overall wellness. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.